MEA spokesperson Syed Akbaruddin said that this is the first high-level interaction that both India and USA will be having after the new government has taken over in India. US Secretary of State John Kerry arrived in India on Wednesday for a 3-day visit. John Kerry was received by the US Charge d'Affaires to India, Kathleen Stephens. John Kerry had recently said that the slogan Sabka Saath Sabka Vikas is a great vision. The Prime Minister meanwhile has held a separate round of meetings with the Finance Minister and the External Affairs Minister. This was ahead of the visit of John Kerry. The Indian-US strategic dialogue is to be held on July 31st.
You are aware that External Affairs Minister and Secretary Kerry will be presiding over the strategic dialogue tomorrow. This dialogue will be held tomorrow afternoon. It will start at 3 p.m. in a restricted format for an hour. Subsequent to that, there will be delegation level discussions over a 2-hour period, following which both the ministers will have a press interaction.
John Kerry is accompanied by Commerce Secretary Penny Pritzker on the visit. Kerry's meet with Modi will cover bilateral issues including expanding bilateral trade, tackling climate change, improving India's energy security through cooperation in clean energy and energy access, and expanding already robust people-to-people ties between the nations.
The focus areas for the strategic dialogue are security, energy, trade and investment, science and technology, human resources development, and regional and international issues. Now, the Indo-US relationship is in a stage of stable and mature growth. The two ministers are expected to explore new frontiers and initiatives to further promote the bilateral relations. The focus will be on enhancing convergence between the two countries in various areas on a wide canvas of partnership that the two largest democracies in the world enjoy.
Powered by NNIS.